Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Razer Cortex block screen. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you are experiencing a block screen issue with Razer Cortex, there are several potential solutions you can try. And here are general steps to help you fix the Razer Cortex block screen issue. So the first step would be, ensure that you are using the latest version of Razer Cortex. Visit the official Razer Cortex website and download the latest version if needed. Another guide: outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can cause display issues. Update your graphics drivers to the latest version from the official website of your graphics card manufacturer, including Nvidia, AMD, or Intel. Next guide: right-click on the Razer Cortex shortcut or executable file and choose Run as Administrator to give it elevated privileges. Another guide: right-click on the Razer Cortex shortcut or executable file, choose Properties, and navigate to the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4 and choose a Previews Windows version. Hit Apply, then OK. Test different compatibility modes if needed. Next guide: right-click on the Razer Cortex shortcut or executable file, choose Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Hit Apply, then hit OK. Another guide: your antivirus or firewall might be blocking Razer Cortex. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and see if the issue persists. Another guide: uninstall Razer Cortex from your system. Download the latest version from the official Razer Cortex website and reinstall it. Next guide: ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements for Razer Cortex. Check the official Razer website for the system requirements. And lastly, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Razer support for assistance. They may provide specific troubleshooting steps or updates related to the black screen problem. And always make sure to create a backup of important data before making significant changes to your system. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.